All right, GBD, golden brown deliciousness.
Oh, yeah.
Getting there.
Welcome to BarbecuePitBoys.com. It's Friday lunch at the pit. Jacob from our Joseph Q chapter has stopped by. Be the main chef, be the main man today. What do you got cooking up today, Jacob?
Oh man, all right. So guys, we're gonna do kind of a famous tailgating recipe here, right? Because you know this is football season, right? And we got to do something tailgating here. So we got something we're gonna call the Buffalo Stinger Sandwich.
Cool.
Essentially, it's gonna be a combination of a cheesesteak and a chicken finger buffalo style hoagie sub, whatever you want to call it.
Yep.
We're gonna start here with the chicken tenders, right? So we got some chicken tender loins. These look like a large clip tender here. You could use a medium too if you want. And then what we got is a little flour mix, just a little deep fry flour mix, and we're gonna add some water to about 5 tablespoons or so of our mix here. I'm just gonna.
So we're going to do some frying here.
Yeah, we're gonna do some frying. Yeah. So we're gonna make a little slurry here. If he was about to edit here, you can speed this right up.
Power of editing. Miracle of time.
Miracle of time. So we're just gonna take our tenders here. We're gonna drop a few in here. All right, what I like to do is I like to have a wet hand and then a dry hand.
Let that go.
Yeah, sure. I've been waiting for it. And right into our dry mix.
What is your inspiration for this?
Tailgating, football.
All right.
Yep. This would be the Buffalo Bills. As in Buffalo, New York. All right, let's bring these over. Yeah, let's go bring these into the dunk.
Hey, what kind of oil are you using?
So, all right, a little bit. We're using peanut oil today.
Okay.
All right. Just dunk it in, and always bring it away from you.
Good fry.
There we go.
How long on each side?
Until it's golden brown deliciousness. Maybe just a few minutes, I'd say, depending on our temp here. It looks pretty dang hot. I think we could fit. You think we can fit another one in there? I think we can.
Another one on the other side.
Bingo. Bingo. I think we got space for the last one. Look at that.
Look at that.
Bingo.
That's
All right. Perfect. All right, GBD, golden brown deliciousness.
Oh, yeah.
Getting there.
I got you some towels.
Thank you, Warden. Awesome.
Let's pull these off.
Yeah, these look ready.
You don't want to fry up the other three?
Certainly can. We were at a food show this past Tuesday there, and then the corporate chef was taking a pork loin and he sous vide it in bacon fat for I don't know how many hours. He served that with a beetroot puree on the bottom. There's some candied like walnuts and pecans and some blue cheese crumble on top. Oh, and then there was a maple bourbon sauce that went along with it as well. Holy jeez, was that a home run?
Oh, nice.
Yep.
We might have to maybe try that out.
Yeah, I think we might.
I think so. All right, stay tuned for that.
All right, we're gonna need our SPG here, and we got about 20 ounces of shaved steak here. And you don't need these slices, flat by any means. This is going to be more like almost like a chopped cheese style, where you're actually chopping up the steak meat anyhow.
Excellent.
Right, starting to look good here. Look at that. All right, we're gonna take this to the assembly line then. Get to assembly here, right?
I love the simplicity of this, right? For a big tailgate, you can cook this and scale it up and make
a few chicken tenders, So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna sauce these up here. We got a little buffalo sauce I'm gonna use.
Use your favorite sauce.
Use your favorite buffalo sauce. You don't gotta go debating here what's the best.
Our fans of buffalo might not agree. They're like,
we love our
so. All right.
Bingo. Look at that. Get these other three in there too. Add a little more sauce. I think we can flip them all. He wants a little taste.
The bees love it. The bees.
They can smell it. It does smell good.
There we go.
That's my share.
Hey, Warden, come on, man.
Warden, whoa.
Hey, we told you not to do that anymore. No, that's good. That sounds good, huh?
Now, for the Vegematics, you guys can skip ahead if you want here, but we're going to slice up some veg.
Fresh garden tomato. There's no fake tomato here.
Yeah.
Do take note. This knife is sharp. Oh.
5 second rule. 5 second rule.
That sucked.
I'm counting.
I don't think we need the whole onion, hopefully.
Oh, come on. It's only grass.
Yeah, it's the outside too. We're going to take that off anyhow.
Why?
I know it. Yeah, it's our garbage. It's our property.
Yeah.
We pick up the garbage at the end of the day, and there's still
That's
people.
it.
Exactly. Most of the critters get it anyway by the next morning if we can't pick it up.
Right. All right. So we got that, right? Take off that part there. All right. The only way to do lettuce, in my opinion, is to do it nice and thin.
Veggie-matic should be happy.
You'll be happy there. Okay.
All right,
Let's
so
get to
now-
assembly here.
All right, here goes.
Here's your first one.
All right. Here's the first one. So, we're gonna take our cheesesteak first. Yeah, we're gonna need some cheese slices.
What do you use, like American cheese, or what kind of cheese you want?
Oh man, okay. So, there's two staples down in Philadelphia, right? You got your Cheese Whiz, and then you've got your Cooper Sharp. So this is a sharp American cheese. And you could go with a cheese sauce if you wanted to, but this is easier to bring to the game.
Yep.
And what we're going to be adding to the top of this anyhow, it's going to add a little liquid anyhow. So we're going to take two of these, pop that on there just like that, right?
Oh my God. Please. Oh my Lord.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep. Do our little blue cheese here. Bet you this isn't open. Nope, it is. All right, little blue cheese sauce. Wait for the warden here.
Yeah.
All right,
Look at this.
and a little lettuce. Get this tomato here. Get some onion in here. A little more of that green stuff.
It's a beautiful.
Bingo.
Wow.
And you can just kind of flip it over.
Yep.
Bingo. All right, it's gonna be a sloppy one, but you get it.
Oh,
She
no,
said-
even sloppy.
All right. This is
All right.
wonderful.
Yeah.
Perfect. Number two.
So, am I supposed to watch you make a bunch of these while I attempt to eat that one right there?
I mean, you can go right ahead and jump right in, man. If you there's
Yeah,
that's it. Two of you definitely get pitmaster privilege right now, so that's it.
Just starting to fall out, so I might as well.
You might as well. You got to hold that one together for me
Good
if you
save,
can.
Slasher. You just helped us, help
All
the
right.
cause right there.
Pop the cheese on.
A little room for your sandwiches.
All right, I don't apologize for eating in front of you, but
Yeah, shake your fingers here.
Oh, God. This looks
Oh.
amazing. It's torture being a camera.
Oh, you want to hit it with the
Got to stare at the mark.
sauce master here.
Gotta
combination of flavors.
Oh,
man.
man.
That's it. Yeah, see, it goes a little wonky, huh? There it is.
Wonderful. Gotta get a good picture of this, too, huh? Oh, my Lord.
That shaved beef really adds a lot to it, man.
Right?
With the combination of that buffalo sauce and the chicken beef. Whoa.
Bingo. So big, I don't know if we're gonna be able to close this one up. So let's just go right to town here like this. Boom, got it.
Got it.
That one's yours.
Good save.
Perfect. All right.
All right.
Let's jump right on in. Let's do one more here. Some more in there, bingo.
Go ahead,
Ooh.
cameraman.
Oh, good.
Grab this.
Boom.
Oh, jeez.
Want to sauce her up? There it is.
Wow. This is great. Wow.
It's a good one.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Poor Warden's like, wait, we're all saying how good it is. He's waiting for his. He's like, come on, man.
Gordon, I didn't see him. Did you or not? There he is.
And this part, we're going to have to take a picture of this one for our thumbnail, because we do a thumbnail.
Is that the
Wait,
last one we have?
it's the last one.
I got it.
Bingo.
Wow.
It's a messy one. Yeah, there you go. All right.
Well done, Chef.
Thank you.
Well done, man.
Awesome.
Yo!
Oh
All
my.
right, so
Yep.
remember this. The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com. Stop by Friday for lunch
Yes.
at the pit.
Perfect.
Wow. Oh yeah. Wow.